The next will be under the toolbars will be the line studies. And on the line studies, we'll be looking at the cursor, which you can use to just know what price is. When you point the cursor to any candle there, or any candle or bar or line, it will give you the information you're looking for, followed by a crosshair. With a crosshair, I can also use it to, make some measurements. If I want to determine, for example, entry from here, I can use it to calculate. If you look here, the first number there is showing me how many periods I've crossed. The second one tells me how many pips I've moved from where I started, while the third section there tells me about the current price at where I have taken the crosshair to. This is the horizontal line. If I want to plot it here, it shows me the time, date, time and date, and the vertical line tells me about price levels. Okay, followed by trend line. If I want to plot trend line, that's that. And this is equidistant channel. These are tools you can use for analysis. This is Fibonacci. I should be learning all of these in the higher classes. All right, and then this is for labeling. If I want to make a label here, for example, I want to call this place my chart. If I want to put it to appear, what I'll do, I'll just highlight that with Control A, or just highlight it and select copy, and then click here and then delete this, or just press Control A to highlight it and press Control V and paste it there. And if I click here, it will just change to my chart. All right, then the same thing with text too. Here I can do the same thing here. Just Control V to paste what I copied before, and press my tab key to shift it there, and then paste it there too. I have it again also. Because it's already there, it will not allow it that it will still show. Okay, and then this one is where you have your arrows. You have thumb up. If I want to put a thumb up image here, I want thumb down, I can bring it there. If I want to put, you can use it to create anything you want. It's showing the price going up, and there it's showing, you can customize it to anything. If you just double click on it, right click, select arrow properties, you can change the color to whatever you want. For example, I can change the color of this to white. All right, you can see there. Okay, and even all of these, if I want to remove them, I can also remove them. So that is what you use this. If I want to delete all of them at a go, right price level, you can also put that there. Anything, you just put it there. That's the thing. All right, now if I want to remove them, all I just do, can let price level, put it there. If you want to now remove all of them, check sign. Okay, so all of these you can use them to do whatever you want to actually do. If I want to remove all of them, just click on delete all arrows and they'll go. Okay, then if I want to remove these ones, I could just highlight it by double clicking and then selecting delete. Okay, again, if you also right click here, you can also go to object list to click there. You can just click on this. Again, let me show you. If I want to remove all of them, instead of coming to the clicking one after the other, just right click, go to object list, or Control B, close it, press Control B on your computer, it shows up. Now if I check this, you can see that this is checked. If I uncheck it, it will go. You can see that. Now the vertical line, the horizontal line rather, if I check this, this will be checked. Okay, look at that horizontal line, there is it, it's been checked. If I uncheck it, it will be unchecked. Okay, so if I want to, the equidistant channel, the same thing. If I click on it, it will be checked. You see that, and check it. My Fibo also, look at the Fibo line. If I click on that, it will, the same thing here. If the label, which is this very one, if I click on this, it will be highlighted. All right, so to remove this, just click on one as it is already, even if it's not checked. Now if I click on delete, it will delete that. If I continue clicking, once it's highlighted in blue, keep on clicking on delete, and they will all go one after the other, and then you can close. Okay, so that is it on the line studies. Check out the other video. God bless you, and thank you for your time.